This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee creamer step by step. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need a liquid base, like whole milk or a non-dairy option such as almond or oat milk. Then, pick your favorite sweetener. Granulated sugar, maple syrup, or even a sugar substitute works wonderfully. Finally, think about the flavors you love most. Now, let's combine everything. Pour your milk base into a saucepan and add your chosen sweetener. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's important to stir the mixture constantly as it warms. This gentle heating helps the sweetener fully dissolve into the milk, creating a smooth and consistent base for your delicious homemade creamer. Once your sweetener is fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect time to add your flavorings. You can use extracts like vanilla, almond, or even peppermint for a festive touch. For a cozy feel, consider a pinch of ground cinnamon or nutmeg. Start with a small amount and taste, adding more if desired, to achieve your perfect flavor profile. After adding your flavors, let the creamer cool down completely to room temperature. Once cooled, carefully pour your freshly made creamer into a clean, airtight container. A glass jar or bottle works great. Store this delightful homemade creamer in your refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and ready to enjoy for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.